Who was the king of Kiskinda? The options are A. Bali, B. Ravan, C. Sugriv, or D. Jamvant. The correct answer is A. Bali. Who was the brother of Bali? The options are A. Neel, B. Jatayu, C. Sugriv, or D. Jamvant. The correct answer is C. Sugriv. Where did Sugriv live after he lost the battle with his brother Bali? The options are A. Prasarvana Mountain, B. Risamukh Mountain, C. Suvila Mountain, or D. Chitrakuta Mountain. The correct answer is B. Risamukh Mountain. What did Ravan decide when he heard that Sita is the most beautiful woman in the world? The options are A. He sent Maharich to abduct Sita, B. He sent Meghnath to abduct Sita, C. He sent Supankha to abduct Sita, or D. Ravana decided to abduct Sita himself. The correct answer is D. Ravan decided to abduct Sita himself. Which demon helped Ravan to abduct Sita? The options are A. Tataka, B. Khabanda, C. Viradha, or D. Maharicha. The correct answer is D. Maharicha. Ravan was a devotee of which among the following god? The options are A. Lord Vishnu, B. Lord Brahma, C. Indradev, and D. Lord Shiva. The correct answer is D. Lord Shiva. Who took the form of a golden deer and began to graze near Rama's cottage in Panchvati? The options are A. Maharich, B. Kalanimi, C. Kumbhakarna, or D. Vradha. The correct answer is A. Maharicha. Before dying, Maharich imitated Ram's voice and shouted what? The options are A. O Ravan, help me. B. O Lakshman, O Sita, help, help. C. O Rama, help me. Or D. O Bhagwan, help me. The correct answer is B. O Lakshman, O Sita, help, help. What did Maharich do when Ravan approached him with the plan of abducting Sita? The options are A. He agreed with the plan instantly. B. He disagreed with the plan. C. He suggested demon Khara for this plan. Or D. He tried to persuade Ravan to stay away from Lord Rama. The correct answer is D. He tried to persuade Ravan to stay away from Lord Rama. What option did Ravan give Maharich on hearing his advice? The options are carry out plan with Kalanimi, B. Carry out plan with Supankha, C. carry out plan with Meghnad, or D. help to carry out plan with him or prepare to die? The correct answer is D. Help to carry out plan with him or prepare to die. What did Maharij do on hearing Ravan's choice? The options are A. Maharij preferred to die in Ravan's hand. B. Maharij preferred to die in Lakshman's hand. C. Maharij preferred to die in Ram's hand. Or D. Maharij preferred to die in Meghnad's hand. The correct answer is C. Maharij preferred to die in Ram's hand. On hearing Maharij's voice, what did Sita do? The options are A. Sita asked Lakshman to go and help Lord Rama. B. Sita asked Lakshman to help Maharicha. C. Sita asked Lakshman to help the deer. D. Sita asked Lakshman to help Jatayu. The correct answer is A. Sita asked Lakshman to go and help Lord Rama. What did Lakshman do on hearing Sita's request to rescue Lord Rama? The options are A. Lakshman ran to save Lord Rama. B. Lakshman told Sita to come with him to save Lord Rama. C. Lakshman told Sita that we should wait for Lord Rama here till he returns. Or D. Lakshman told Sita that the voice was only a fake. The correct answer is D. Lakshman told Sita that the voice was only a fake. What did Ravan do as soon as he found Sita alone? The options are A. Ravan entered the cottage to abduct Sita. B. Ravan disguised as ascetic asked for alms or bhiksha. C. Ravan called Maharij to abduct Sita. Or D. Ravan left for Lanka. The correct answer is B. Ravan disguised as ascetic asked for alms or bhiksha. What did Sita do when Ravan disguised as ascetic asked for alms or bhiksha? The options are A. She tried to offer some coins to the holy man. B. She tried to offer alms or bhiksha to the holy man. C. She tried to offer water to the holy man. Or D. Sita tried to offer some clothes to the holy man. The correct answer is B. Sita tried to offer alms or bhiksha to the holy man. What did Sita do when ascetic asked her to come near and offer alms or bhiksha? The options are A. She asked him to wait till Lord Rama return. B. She remained inside the cottage. C. Sita crossed the line to offer the bhiksha. Or D. She refused to give bhiksha to ascetic. The correct answer is C. Sita crossed the line to offer the bhiksha. What did ascetic do after Sita crossed the line? The options are A. He returned after taking alms or bhiksha. B. He turned into Ravan and took Sita away. C. He waited for Lord Rama to arrive. And D. He turned into Ravan and called Mahari. The correct answer is B. He turned into Ravan and took Sita away.